This will be a retake of the elevator at Lord & Taylor at Freehold Raceway Mall. It's Schindler MT. Here's your shaft equipment, ECI. Let's go up to you and listen to the motor. Let's watch this. It won't register. I almost got my hand chopped off there. But let's get it still here. Let's get a view of this lantern. Shaft equipment. Phone ADA compliant. LL. And Cavio. Here's your Cavio. It's a very nice Schindler elevator. Probably one of the nicest MTs. Now most Schindler MT elevators are not great, but this one absolutely runs flawless. Very good condition. 22 years old. Well, yeah, it is 22 years old because it was installed in 1996. So let's listen to the motor. View of the fixture. I'm just getting still pictures of these fixtures. And let's go back there. The indicator actually used to say LL and UL. Now it says just 1 and 2. And while we're at it, we'll listen to the startup. That was a 2018 retake of the very nice Schindler 300A hydraulic elevator at the Lord & Taylor at Freehold Raceway Mall. That's it, and I hope you enjoyed it.